Come on. Inner thigh so tight. Woo! Oh. Come on. I want you to feel so good that that fat has nowhere to run, but straight to being turned into fuel. Yes. Oh. 2 more. Oh my God. Put it down. Oh. Feels so good. All right, thigh clap burpees. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo. Shorts are becoming more like Daisy Dukes. Come on, you never know how close you are, so never give up. Burpees with thigh claps. Thighs the limit. 3. Yeehaw. 2. Come on, cowgirls. Giddy up. Woo. Squeeze. Good. How high can you get that foot? Come on, Tammy. I want you to kick that ceiling. Kick the chandelier, Susan. Come on, Brooke. Las Vegas on fire. Somebody's at 5 a.m. doing this workout. No excuses. Way to go. Losing pounds. Losing excuses. Oh my gosh. Inhale. Side to side. Whew. That was amazing. Sip of water. 30-second break. Get your bench north to south. Okay? We're doing a booty squeeze with a shoulder press. Yes. So hot.